Welcome to our channel. This is Tekirri. Today, Honor 30 Pro camera test. It is best camera phone in 2020. First look the camera specs. Phone backside quad camera setup here. Main camera 40 megapixel, second is 60 megapixel ultra wide. Third one 8 megapixel periscope camera with 5x optical zoom, 50x digital zoom. Last one 2 megapixel depth sensor. Let's look the camera interface. Normally, this mobile takes shots on 12 megapixel. You want to change Pro mode, it's take 40 megapixel shots. Let's look guys, ultra wide with normal lens, color quality. It's also same, nothing different, so it's good because some mobiles take ultra wide with normal color is little bit different. This device main highlight 8 megapixel periscope camera. How is it work? Let's see guys, this blue color board. I'm zoom the 50x digital zoom. Its quality is good. Okay, I'm zooming. This focus is a little bit slow, but the quality is unbreakable. Stability is good, not bad. Photo clarity is really amazing. What do you think guys? This 8 megapixel periscope camera 50x digital zoomed quality it's good or not? Your opinion please comment below. Don't forget guys. Okay, just I'm compare first Xiaomi's 108 megapixel 50x digital zoomed sample. Let's look sample. First one Honor 30 Pro 50x digital zoomed sample. Second one Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro 108 megapixel 50x digital zoomed sample. Which one best? My opinion Honor. Second one ultra wide angle lens 60 megapixel shot and maximum 50x digital zoomed sample. Quality is good. Let's see guys, left one normal and right one 50x digital zoomed features. Quality is good, not bad. And other images also little bit good, not bad. 50x. Then normal lens 5x optical zoom, 50x digital zoom. Quality is reasonable, not bad. This is the 40 megapixel shot. Just small crap the picture. Quality also good. Let's look night mode. How does it perform this Honor 30 Pro? Okay, first take one shot. It takes 6 second processing time. Final output is okay. Just look guys. The final output is really amazing. It's other floor. Wow. It's good, right? Okay, let's look the sample. It's without night mode shot. It's with night mode shot. Just crop the image. Quality is good, not bad, really. Then other shot. Just crop the image. Also good. Then left side is night shot, right side is morning shot, the same place. Quality is good. Let's look the front facing video sample. Full HD 60 fps. Full HD 60 fps sample. Four K 30 fps sample.
你拍的好看吗？
不好看，我在测它的防抖能力。
应该拍它的测测它的清晰度。